After measuring the internal height and width of the opening, divide your space using your chosen accessories. Now you have your measurements, divide your space into either 580mm sections for each 550mm accessory, or 930mm for each 900mm accessory. The first thing you have to do is to fit your stanchions. Our relaxed storage system has two to choose from, depending on your opening space. Once you have your opening height, you will need to cut your stanchion to suit. For the floor-to-ceiling stanchion, remove one of the adjustable screws and stanchion caps. Measure from the remaining stanchion cap to your required opening height, deducting 40mm. Using a hacksaw, cut this to length. Now reapply the stanchion cap and adjustable screw. To fit the stanchions, measure 250mm from the back wall, making sure to deduct the depth of any coving if necessary. Using your opening measurements and layout, measure the distance in from the sidewall for your first stanchion and secure the top button into the ceiling, making sure to use suitable fittings. Place the stanchion on the top button, then level up the front and the side of the stanchion so that it is vertical. Once in place, mark around the bottom foot and then screw the floor button into place, making sure to use suitable fittings. Refit the stanchion onto the top and bottom buttons and tighten up the feet. Repeat this on all floor-to-ceiling stanchions. For the floor-to-wall stanchion, remove the adjustable floor screw and stanchion cap. Measure from the top of the stanchion to your required opening height, deducting 40mm. Using a hacksaw, cut this to length. Now reapply the stanchion cap and adjustable screw. Line the stanchion up against the back wall in your chosen position, then temporarily fasten this with a single screw. Level the stanchion on both the front and the side, and mark the position of the stanchion foot on the floor. Remove the stanchion from the wall and fix the floor button into place, using suitable fixings. Place the stanchion onto the floor button and fix the top of the stanchion by screwing into the wall in both holes. Twist the bottom foot to tighten the stanchion. Repeat this on all floor-to-wall stanchions. To fix your hanger bar, loosen and align the locking nuts on both sides. Slide the hanger bar into position and level up. Once in position, tighten the locking nuts. To fix your trouser rack, fit both the right and left brackets into the stanchions and tighten up. Level these up before positioning the trouser rack. Slide the trouser rack into place and secure this by fixing the screws on the underside of the brackets. Now place the drawer onto the runners and engage the soft close clips. To fix your drawer unit, fit both the right and left lower brackets into the stanchions. Level these up before positioning the drawer unit. Slide the drawer unit into place and mark the top of the unit onto both stanchions. Now remove the drawer box and measure down 65mm on both stanchions. Then align the top of the upper bracket to the lower pencil mark. Whilst the drawer box is away from the stanchions, drill through both pilot holes on the inside walls. Slide the drawer unit back into place and fix the upper drawer bracket bolts through the pilot holes, as well as screwing to the underside of the brackets. Place the drawers onto the runners and engage the clips. To fix your sliding basket, fit both the right and left brackets into the stanchions. Loosen the lower bolts and open the brackets up to slide the frame into place. Tighten these, then additionally secure the frame by screwing into the wall using suitable fixings. To fix your shelf, fit both the right and left shelf brackets into the stanchions. Level these up before positioning the shelf. Loosen the lower bolts and open the brackets up to slide the shelf into place. Secure into place using an Allen key. To fix the shoe rack, fit both the right and left brackets into the stanchions. Level up, then tighten up using an Allen key.